to the panel of judges, research advisors, and fellow researchers. Good day, I'm Jabo Nicolas Elganon.
That has a significant role in being a campus journalist. More journalism have made a huge impact in our body.
The aim of this study is to clearly show the insights of SSG officers towards effective leadership. The first
is time management, because we all know that if you are having a hard time in coping up.
What did the victim feel when they experienced the harassment? And the third question is,
use the interview protocol to gather information and to answer specific questions.
This is from grade 11, ICT Makapagal, and we are here to present our research entitled Generation.
They provided consultation interaction of the librarian and also the books or equipment provided by the school library.
Clarify nyo and an interesting topic. Congratulations, job well.
Department of Education Memorandum or the Republic Act 10533 or Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013 mentioned that grades between academic and extracurricular activities are being separated. That's why we, the researchers of ABM Arroyo, conducted a research entitled The Effects of Extracurricular Activities to Academic Performance of Senior High School ABM Students in Prensa National High School. Extracurricular activities offer an opportunity to practice social skills and experiment in career-related activities. There are many forms of extracurricular activities such as sports, clubs, governance, students' newspaper, music, arts, and drama.
This study aims to establish understanding about the lessons of the students during extracurricular activities and to identify the advantages and disadvantages.
The researchers primarily want to determine the effects of extracurricular activities to academic performance of ABM senior high students.
Specifically, the study wants to address the following question. Question number 1. How extracurricular activities affect their academic performance? Question number 2. Students' perception in their grades concerning their strategies to cope up with the lesson that they miss. And next, platforms of students that manage their time. And lastly, what are the driving factors for a student to join extracurricular activities?
For our methodology, this is a schematic diagram of procedure of research. For the research, we started through identifying the problems. In this research, the first thing that the researchers do is to identify the problem, which is to determine the effects of extracurricular activities to academic performance of senior high school students in Prensa National High School. Next, the formulation of questions. The researchers formulated 5 open-ended questions. Next is selecting respondents. The respondents of this study are the ABM senior high school students who are involved in extracurricular activities. The researchers purposefully selected 5 ABM senior high school students. Next, we do data gathering procedures through interview. The researcher will ask some open-ended questions on each of the students. Next, we undergo data analysis. The respondent of the students containing the coding part, which identify the area of the focus, are the questions in the codes for the response and the interpretation to the table. Lastly, conclusion and recommendation. The researcher will conclude the answers from the key informant and give some few recommendations of the study. For our results, we made a table containing the area of focus and the codes. Area of focus contains the questions coming from the questionnaires. After that, we do coding. Codes contains the responses of the students. For the question number 1, what are the advantages and disadvantages of joining extracurricular activity? Table number 1 shows the responses of the students, specifically the advantages and disadvantages.
Students having an extracurricular activity tend to become more cooperative and skilled, but it can be hard for them to cope up to the lessons that they miss. For question number 2, what made the students join in extracurricular activity? The table number 2 shows the response of the students, which is incentive, self-enhancement, and fulfillment. With this, the researchers found that the students join in extracurricular activities because it catches their interest and it matches to their skills.
Third question. How extracurricular helps the students in terms of academic performance? Table number 3 shows the responses of the students. It contains skill enhancement and incentives. Students having extracurricular activity can be beneficial in terms of academic performance through skill enhancement and incentives.
For question number 4, how students manage their time between academics and extracurricular activities. So table number 4 shows the response of the students, specifically inquire and able to comply. With this, the students are asked their teachers to give them modules for them to comply the lessons that they missed.
And lastly, question number 5, what are the strategies in coping up to the lessons they missed? Table number 5 shows the responses of the students. It contains inquiries and self-study. Students asking questions to their classmates for them to cope up to the lessons that they missed.
The researchers conclude that coming from the data that gathered and analyzed, the students overall perceive that having an extracurricular activities increase their self-esteem, enhance their skills, and improve their academic performance. Also, teachers give incentives for their grades to improve their academic performance.
On the other hand, students answer that they are disadvantaged of joining extracurricular activities. They are having a hard time in coming up in the lessons that they miss. If they are not able to comply with their requirements because of lack of time. That's all.
Thank you, panels. We are now ready for your questions.
Si ating pangatlo from the left. Okay. Pwede bang i-summarize or sabihin mo sa akin, what are the limitations of your study?
The limitations of our study is if you were part of or you were involved in extracurricular activities and you are ABM students of senior high school.
So therefore, the limitations of your study is you only focus or the students lang na perform or engage in sa mga extracurricular activities.
Yes po.
Do you think that if you have chosen another response like from the STEM or the PBL strand, you'll get the same results?
Yes po.
And why?
Why? Because mostly the students or the other researchers have the same answer, or even if it is in qualitative, so we got the same answer. So I think it is saturated. So that's our answer.
So from the conclusions, I have read that the majority told that it is overall helpful to them, the extracurricular activities, but few of them said that it is quite detrimental to them. So what is your first and primary recommendation to those people who find it quite hard to cope up with too much extracurricular activities?
Our recommendations for the students is, first is time management, because we all know that if you are having a hard time in coping up your lessons, so manage your time. So manage your time between your academics and your extracurricular.
For some sort of commentations about your presentation, about your group, so I want to comment, I really like your placing outfit. That's a good point. So, malalaman mo na talagang meron kayong synchronization. So, maganda yan. So, yan yung dapat i-practice while you're having your presentation or defense. And then, I want to comment how you utilize your presentation. Actually, PPT is just used for, intended para basahin mo and then you will speak all about that. So, hindi commendable na kabisado mo lahat ng sasabihin mo. So, iyon, magandang point. And then, commendable schematic diagram. So, pinaliwanag nyo talaga. And then, good research writing. So, ang ganda ng paper nyo. So, that's all. Thank you and congratulations.